Hello everyone! Today, I'm here to give you a step-by-step tutorial to show you how to get started with ClickUp for project management. Simply click the link in the description box to access the platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's begin by signing up for a free ClickUp account. Just enter your work email, full name, and choose a password. After verifying your email, you'll create your workspace. Name it based on your company, organization, or project. Customize your workspace by choosing an avatar and theme color. Next, specify the number of people you'll be working with and how you'll use ClickUp, like for project management or product management. Invite team members by adding their email addresses. They'll receive an email to join your workspace. You can also integrate other applications like Zoom or Google Hangouts for seamless collaboration. Now let's create your first task. Start by adding a task list to your dashboard. Enter details like the task name, due date, assignee, and description. You can even add subtasks. Use different views like list, board, or calendar to visualize your tasks in progress. ClickUp offers various integrations and applications to enhance your workflow. You can connect tools like Google Drive or Zoom directly within ClickUp. And that's it. You're ready to start managing your projects efficiently with ClickUp. Explore its features, customize as needed, and enjoy seamless collaboration with your team by clicking the link in the description box to try it for free. Thanks for watching.